In this video, I want to show you how to create your own table of contents in Microsoft Word. If you have your documents in Microsoft Word, your thesis or your project, and you want to put table of contents, how do you do it? So to do that is quite simple and straightforward. But the first thing you need to do, you have to insert page number on your document. And to do that, kindly come to Insert, then come to Page Number. Choose any style of your choice and click on either at the bottom or at the left hand side. So let's choose center. So here, after you have put page number, the next thing to do is what we call heading. So if you look at my document here, if I click here, you can see the heading highlighted is normal. So you have to put heading. So what to do is to highlight the one you want to be heading 1 or heading 2, as the case may be, depending on your preference. So all these one are supposed to be heading 1. All these, the chapter 1, introduction, the background to the study. So when you get to chapter 2 as well, you do this the same. At every sections, you have to put appropriate heading. So if you want it to be heading 1, highlight it and click on heading 1. So you can change the fonts to be the same. So we have, if I click here now, you can see it has highlighted heading 1. Then move to the next section. Depending on the nature of your document, it can be another chapter or a section. So like in this case, let me move to this next section. So I'll highlight it and click on heading 1. So that will also make it heading 1. So then I'll scroll down, go to the next section. Just like this, I will select it and make it heading 1. I can change the font, then come to this one, also highlight it, make it heading 1. I can change the font. So like this one, also highlight and make it heading 1 and change the font to be the same with the whole document. So this is how you are going to do it. And if you want it to be heading 2, depending on you, yes, maybe the chapter will be heading 1 while the subsection will be heading 2, depending on you. So after you have put appropriate heading to each section of the document, then let's go back to the top. Normally, table of contents comes before the body of the work. So if you want to put table of contents, click here, come to references, and here you see table of contents. Click on the drop down and you can see different formats here. So if you are satisfied, for example, this very first one, you can just click on it. That will automatically put the table of content. You can see, so straightforward and easy to do. And for example, you can equally edit it. If you don't want this dotted line to show, to do that is quite simple. You can remove it. So just come back to the table of contents here and come to Insert Table of Contents. So here, tab leader, click on the drop down and choose None. Then click on OK. Do you want to replace the section table of content? Click yes. You can see that it has removed the dotted line and you can see it. So another thing you can do, for instance, if you have changed anything in the document and as a result of that, maybe the number of page has increased or decreased. So it's just to come back here and click on Update Table. So once you click on Update Table, you choose Update Entire Table and click on OK. So the changes you have made in the document will surely be effected in the table of contents creation. So in short, this is how to create table of contents in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching.